Hello, welcome to Business Zero to Superhero, your one-stop shop for everything entrepreneurial. I'm Graham Jules, and in this video we'll be looking at Pop-Up World and Pop-Up World token PUW. How does it work? What is Pop-Up World? Pop-Up World is a digital platform that provides a series of applications for startups looking to grow their business. One of our main applications is Investor Connector that allows startups to send their pitch decks to angel investors and VCs. Startups can use the app by sending Pop-Up World tokens, PUW, or by paying a small fee via fiat currency. We provide a range of applications and services including company formation, premises search, an informative blog, and much more. The problem is, out of all startups launched, less than 1% ever receive external funding to realize their dreams. For ethnic minority founders, the figures are even lower, with less than 1% of those 1% of founders finding success. We launched Pop-Up World and PUW to address these important issues. Services like our Investor Connector aims to connect startups with VCs and angel investors, but we need to do more. We want to make it easier for startups to launch and grow. We strongly believe that small businesses are the lifeblood of all our communities. Unfortunately, in recent times, small businesses have come under attack following the response to COVID and the cost of living crisis. The Pop-Up World project aims to make it easier for startups to access funding and essential services. You can read more in our white paper. The link is below. The solution: how to get involved. We have created a platform for startups and investors that can be supported by the community. There are numerous ways a supporter can participate. Number 1, supporters can participate by holding Pop-Up World tokens, PUW. Startups can utilize Pop-Up World tokens to access services on the platform, therefore reducing available supply. Over time, this could result in appreciation of the value of PUW tokens for supporters and holders of the token. Pop-Up World tokens are available on the 4 main dexes on Cardano: Minswap, Muesliswap, Wingriders, and Sundaeswap. Number 2, supporters can also earn rewards by staking in the Pop-Up World stake pool, PUWSP. Delegators to the pool receive 40% of the rewards should we mint a block. The remaining 60% will be used to support exciting new startups and projects on the platform. It's important to note that staking on Cardano does not require you to send your tokens or lock up your funds for a period of time. For more info about staking on Cardano, watch this video. Number 3. Supporters can also support the project by purchasing our limited edition NFTs Zero to Superhero. These NFTs are ingrained in business history due to the trademark dispute I had with multi-billion-dollar media company Marvel and DC Entertainment Inc., which I won in 2015. These NFTs are super rare, and when they're gone, they're gone. There'll be no more minted. Number 4. Supporters can support the project by purchasing exciting memberships. There are 2 levels of membership: premium and standard membership. Becoming a member will give you the Pop-Up World tokens, PUW, exclusive merchandise, and access to special events, promotions, and NFTs. To register your interest, visit www.popupworld.co.uk/popupworldtoken. Final thoughts. It's important to make clear that these services are not a projected roadmap, and they are live as of today. This is a fully formed project that we aim to grow and refine with feedback from the community. Hope to welcome you aboard. Don't forget to like and subscribe on the bad boy below if you find this video useful. Also, check out the links below for more info on Pop-Up World, the Pop-Up World token, and Pop-Up World staking. See you later.